PrepHR, where preparation meets expectations. Let's meet the team first. I'm Sakshi Rambhia. I study at New York Institute of Technology. I'm from Mumbai and I live in New York.
Hi, I'm Ridham. I study at JC Bose University of Science and Technology, Ridham Bhat. I live in Ghaziabad.
Hi, this is AB and I study in IIT Guwahati and I live in Bhubaneswar, Odisha.
Introduction. PrepHR is an online system that gives candidates a chance to practice for behavioral or HR interviews. So the interview is conducted based and concluded based on several parameters such as confidence, posture, eye contact, expression, and clarity of responses. So this is the project feature and the workflow. Video recording as answers to judge different prospects like posture, confidence, eye contact, question banks and categorical distribution of questions. Results are displayed on the screen showing different parameters and a score based on each parameter. It asks for candidate feedback for improvements after 5 rounds and past performances dashboard so a candidate is able to see a history of their performances and how they have improved. Let's now look at the demo of the project.
Okay, so now we'll have a short demonstration of the project we have made. Uh, uh, for this purpose, we first come to the landing page of the project. This is what the user will see when he first opens up a website. And he has two options over here. Either he can begin practicing after logging in, or he can contribute to the open source if he's a developer. So basically, we will get started. And here we get into the second screen that is meant for starting your interview. So here we have a set of instructions with us. Those instructions refer to the particular protocols that the candidate need to follow while recording his video and also submitting his video. And yeah, so if we start with the HR interview, we can see that we have a question over here and we have a screen recording over here that is currently recording my video, and we have an option called start capture. So clicking on start capture basically records the current video that I'm currently recording, and clicking on stop gives me these two options. So either I could download or I could submit. So when I click on submit, I'm basically redirected to a results page. So just a second, here we can get the results of our of the performance that we have done of the video that we submitted. So this will give us an idea of the different parameters that are being judged from the video, such as concentration, clarity, expression, focus, etc. And then we have an overall score over here, and we have some remarks, and then we have this option to save the result and return home. So clicking on this, we can save our result and we come back to home. And if okay, so basically moving on to users dashboard, this is where the user will see his performances, his past performances. As you can see, we have a line graph over here that basically tells about his overall performance versus interview number, that is the number of interviews he has given over the days. And we have cards over here which displays past performances. So basically on connecting this to database, we'll be able to see all his information and the user will be able to track his progress. Yeah, and apart from that, we have our GitHub repository and we have a feedback system over here that basically takes you to a Google form where you can like put your feedback about the website, about your user experience and all that. And also we are we will take feedback from the user after he finishes 5 interviews so that we know how he or she is feeling or experiencing our website. That's all about the demonstration. I will pass on to Rhythm.
So the tech stack of our application is based on React.js, and the backend is totally based on Django, and the database we are using is MongoDB. For image tracking, we are using OpenCV, and also a bit of like other libraries that are already present there. And we have all of them in the GitHub page, and you can just share. We have all the readmes right there. We have code of conduct and the different things. So yeah, so please do make sure to go through it, and yeah, we look forward to any open source contribution that may come our way. And this is PrepHR. I hope you all like it.